Welcome to a journey through the stunning landscapes and vibrant culture of Ireland. From the wild Atlantic coastline to the rolling hills and meadows of the interior, Ireland is an enchanting land of natural beauty and a rich history. Join us now as we explore the Emerald Isle. From the capital city of Dublin to the majestic Cliffs of Moher, prepare to be captivated by the stunning scenery and captivating culture of Ireland. Take a stroll through the breathtaking landscape of the countryside and discover the unique heritage that makes this island nation so special. Let us explore the beauty of Ireland together. Galway, a harbour city on Ireland's west coast, sits where the River Corrib meets the Atlantic Ocean. The city's hub is 18th Century Eyre Square, a popular meeting spot surrounded by shops and traditional pubs that often offer live Irish folk music. Nearby, stone-clad cafes, boutiques and art galleries line the winding lanes of the Latin Quarter, which retains portions of the medieval city walls. It offers a great traditional music scene, a beautiful setting, cozy pubs, and great places to stay. Hosting about 120 festivals and events every year, there's never a dull moment in Galway. Known for its vibrant street theatre and fantastic food, film, and fringe festivities, this city has surely earned its stripes when it comes to putting on a show. The Aran Islands are three rocky isles guarding the mouth of Galway Bay, in Western Ireland. They're known for their ancient sites. The largest island, Inishmore, is home to the prehistoric fort of Dingle Peninsula, perched on top of a high cliff. Nearby is the Wormhole, a rectangular natural pool. Famed for their wild landscapes, distinctive knitted jumpers, and pretty cottages, the Irish-speaking Aran Islands never fail to wow. These three islands have maintained the culture and heritage of traditional Irish life and fascinate the thousands of visitors who make the journey every year. Ferry ride to the Aran Islands from Galway takes approximately 45 minutes. It's off the beaten path and requires a ferry ride to reach it. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't. Despite being quite small, it is packed with ancient sites, stone houses, sounds, and experiences that can only enrich your time in Ireland. The medieval ruins of the seven churches are in the northwest. Cloch an Nacharage is a stone structure with a beehive roof. Kinsale is a town on the southern coast of Ireland, in County Cork. Two 17th century fortresses overlook the River Bandon, the vast star-shaped Charles Fort to the southeast, and the smaller James Fort on the river's opposite bank. The 16th century courthouse building houses the Kinsale Regional Museum, with a variety of displays on local history and information about the 1915 sinking of the RMS Lusitania. Kinsale is one of the most picturesque and oldest towns in Ireland. It is also internationally renowned for the number and quality of its famous eateries. It has been hailed as the gourmet capital of Ireland. The Dingle Peninsula on Ireland's southwest Atlantic coast is ringed by sandy beaches and craggy cliffs. Inland are rolling hills and mountains, including 952 meters Mount Brandon. The region's an officially recognized bastion of Irish language and culture. Dingle and the Dingle Peninsula is one of the most popular spots in Ireland, so tours around the area are quite common from lots of great places. Gallerus Oratory is the most perfect example of the boat-shaped oratories associated with the Dingle Peninsula. These structures are shaped like an upturned boats and were built using the ancient corbelling technique. The church is c. 6.85 meters long x 5.75 meters externally. Bohemian, artistic, and genuinely friendly. Dingle is famed for its hardware pubs where you can buy a pint and some wellies. But push out beyond the town and you're faced with an incredible 6,000 years of history. And the Kerry coastline with its pounding waves, salty winds, dramatic cliffs, and wit. Glendalough is a glacial valley in County Wicklow, Ireland, renowned for an early medieval monastic settlement founded in the 6th century by St. Kevin. From 1825 to 1957, the head of the Glendalough Valley was the site of a galena lead mine. Glendalough is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Wicklow and indeed all of Ireland. It is unsurprising given the stunning landscape, historic ruins, and beautiful walks on offer at this unique location.
You spent the night in a hospital bed 'cause you cut way too deep when you threw out your meds.
Glendalough is of national significance as the story of a saint who became intertwined with landscape, buildings, and objects as Christianity transformed medieval Ireland. The major players in medieval Ireland were all involved, from the Vikings, bishops, and abbots, to local and national kings. It's just the perfect escape from the city, one of the best ways to experience Ireland at its best and start enjoying its atmosphere. The Giant's Causeway is an area of about 40,000 interlocking basalt columns, the result of an ancient volcanic fissure eruption. It is located in County Antrim on the north coast of Northern Ireland, about 3 miles northeast of the town of Bushmills. The Giant's Causeway is a unique and iconic landmark in Northern Ireland. It is a popular tourist destination, drawing in over 1 million visitors each year. The unique rock formations of the Giant's Causeway attract visitors from all over the world to its dramatic, rugged coastline, dramatic geological features, and its stunning views of the surrounding countryside. Visitors can explore the area on foot, by boat, or via guided tours. The area also offers a variety of activities, including swimming, fishing, and boat trips. For those interested in nature, the area is home to some. The North Antrim coastline is renowned for its scenic beauty, and the Giant's Causeway is its unique jewel in the crown, known to the Irish as the eighth wonder of the world. A jagged promontory of neatly packed columns of hexagonal basalt rocks created some 6 million years ago by a flow of basaltic lava. The geological features of the causeway were formed around 50–60 million years ago, when the Antrim coast was subjected to intense volcanic activity. The Burren is a region of County Clare in the southwest of Ireland. It's a karst landscape of bedrock incorporating a vast cracked pavement of glacial-era limestone, with cliffs and caves, fossils, rock formations, and archaeological sites. On the Atlantic coast, the precipitous Cliffs of Moher are home to thousands of seabirds, including puffins. Nearby Dublin village is a renowned centre for traditional Irish music. It is internationally famous for its rocky landscape, unusual combination of flora, thousands of archaeological sites, and unique farming traditions. It is one of the best places to visit in Ireland, and one of the many things to do in County Clare, also known as the Banner County. The Burren is a good place to explore for a few days at least. Killarney National Park, near the town of Killarney, County Kerry, was the first national park in Ireland, created when the Muckross estate was donated to the Irish Free State in 1932. Lakeland Killarney is famed for its beautiful lakes, which cover about a quarter of the entire park. From their shores rise mountain slopes, cloaked by notable forests like Tummy's Wood. One of Europe's only remaining pure yew woods can be found across 60 acres 25 hectares of the Muckross Peninsula. Ross Castle is a 15th century tower house and keep on the edge of Lough Lean, in Killarney National Park, County Kerry, Ireland. People have been escaping to Killarney in the ancient kingdom of Kerry for over 250 years. People come for the legendary beauty, The lakes, waterfalls, mountain peaks, and heart-stopping views. Dublin, capital of the Republic of Ireland, is on Ireland's east coast at the mouth of the River Liffey. Its historic buildings include Dublin Castle, dating to the 13th century, an imposing St. Patrick's Cathedral, founded in 1191. City parks include landscape St. Stephen's Green and huge Phoenix Park, containing Dublin Zoo. The National Museum of Ireland explores Irish heritage and culture. It is known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and its friendly people. It is home to some of the most famous attractions in Ireland, such as the Guinness Storehouse, Dublin Castle, and Trinity College. Dublin is also renowned for its literary heritage, with Dubliners by James Joyce, Ulysses by James Joyce, and The Dubliners by Brendan Behan being among the most popular works associated with the city. Additionally, Dublin is a popular destination for foodies, offering a selection of traditional Irish dishes as well as a number of international cuisines. Dublin is a very popular tourist destination for people from all over the world. Dublin boasts a rich and vibrant culture and history, as well as an array of attractions, sites, and activities to enjoy. From its ancient castles, cathedrals, and museums, to its lively pubs and music scene, it has repeatedly been named one of the friendliest cities in Europe and the world. As a result, when you arrive, you can expect a warm welcome. Dubliners are known for their chattiness, quick wit, and tolerance. The Cliffs of Moher are sea cliffs located at the southwestern edge of the Burren region in County Clare, Ireland. They run for about 14 kilometers. The city a hotspot for a wide range of flora and fauna, with as many as 20 different species of birds to be seen. The cliffs have been featured in many movies, including Harry Potter, The Princess Bride, Leap Year, and many more. Come visit the jewel of Ireland, the magnificent Cliffs of Moher. The cliffs themselves are imposing and dramatic, but it's the whole experience that'll make this a worthwhile stop on your trip. From bird life to stunning sea views, you'll want to make the detour to see the top attraction of Ireland. The townland name is an anglicization of the Gaelic place name Moher, which means a cluster of trees. In the 17th century, it formed part of Moher townland.
Speed.